Welcome to Jijja Academy Lahore by Tabinda Itazaz. We shall discuss components of a network today. There are 5 main components of a computer network: communication media, network interface card, NIC, bridge, gateway, and router. Let's discuss them in detail. Communication media. Communication media refers to the means of delivering and receiving data or information in a network. Actually, communication media is a path or channel through which we send and receive messages from one computer to another computer in a network. There are two types of communication media. Number one, guided media, which is also known as wired media. Wired media means computers or other devices in a network are connected through wires, cables. And the other type of communication media is unguided media. Unguided media means wireless media, where we do not use wires but devices communicate with one another through signals. For example, these are two computers or laptops which are connected with each other through wireless media. There is no physical wire between these two computers as we seen in this example. So how these computers are communicating with each other? Through signals. The best example of wireless communication is our mobiles. Mobiles are connected with each other or with the internet Wi-Fi connection through signals. There is no wire that connects mobile with the Wi-Fi, but still mobile is connected with the Wi-Fi. And that communication media, the signals which travel through air, is called wireless media. When we talk about communication media for wired networks, which we studied, that these are cables. So there are different types of cables that are used to connect computers with one another. For example, twisted pair cables. There are two types of twisted pair cables. This is unshielded twisted pair cable and this is shielded twisted pair cable. Why it is shielded? This protective layer or shield is present in shielded twisted pair cable, whereas unshielded twisted pair cable doesn't have this protective layer. So in a low cost LAN network, twisted pair cables are used. Next cable is coaxial cable. These cables are expensive than twisted pair cables. The next type is fiber optic cable. Data transmission on fiber optic cables is faster than coaxial cable and twisted pair cables. And fiber optic cables are more expensive than coaxial and twisted pair cables. And this is an example of fiber optic cable. Next is communication media for wireless networks, where we do not use wires. In wireless networks, infrared waves or radio waves are used for data transmission instead of wires. This is an example of a wave. The upper curve or upper part of a wave is known as crest and the lower curve is called trough. Distance between crests of two consecutive waves is called wavelength. An example of wireless communication in a wireless network is shown here. This is a wireless Wi-Fi that generates signals through which other devices are connected to this Wi-Fi, making a wireless network. The best example of wireless network or wireless communication is our mobiles. Two mobile phones connect with one another through signals, through wireless communication. The next component of a network is network interface card, NIC. Network interface card, NIC, is also known as network interface controller or network adapter, LAN adapter. There are two types of network interface card, NIC: wired NIC and wireless NIC. Wired NIC is used in wired networks and wireless NIC is used in wireless networks. This is an example of wired NIC, wired network interface card. It is a hardware component. This port, this black area is called Ethernet port. This wired NIC is fixed on the motherboard of a computer. As you can see here, this is the NIC, wired NIC, this card fixed on the PCI slot of motherboard. These off-white slots which are located on a motherboard of a computer, these slots are called PCI slots. And this yellow area of NIC or a card is fixed on one of the PCI slot. And this is the point where we connect a network cable. The other type of network interface card is wireless NIC. These are the different types of wireless network interface cards which are available in the market. It is an example of wireless local area network where different devices are connected with each other using wireless network interface card. If we want to connect our device to a network, we must have network interface card properly installed in our device. The next component we are going to discuss is bridge. A bridge is a connecting device that is used to connect networks together. A bridge is used to connect similar networks. Similar networks means, in this example, bridge, a connecting device, is used to connect one local area network to another local area network. And in this example, a bridge is connecting metropolitan area network with another metropolitan area network. A bridge cannot connect two different types of networks. Here are two examples of two similar networks. In example 1, you can see here this network is similar to this network. So I have used bridge as a connecting device to connect these two similar networks. In example 2, you can see these are two similar networks and a bridge is connecting these two similar networks together. So a bridge is used to connect similar networks. Now the question is, how can we connect two different types of networks as bridge is not supporting this connectivity? The answer is gateway. A gateway is a collection of hardware and software, and it is used to connect different types of networks. In this example, a gateway is used as a connecting device to connect two different types of networks. How different? This is local area network and it is a metropolitan area network. And these two different types of networks are connected together with the help of gateway. Similarly, wide area network is connected to a different network, local area network. In the third example, a metropolitan area network is connected to wide area network. This is another example. In order to connect wide area network with local area network, a gateway is used as a connecting device. So we can say that a bridge is used to connect similar networks and a gateway is used to connect different types of networks. Now let's discuss the last component of a network, router. A router is used to connect similar networks as well as different networks. Routers are used when several networks are to be connected together. A router is an expensive device, so we do not prefer to use it in small networks. A router can even connect networks of different countries. Router is an intelligent device. How is it an intelligent device? Because it has algorithms to find out the best path to transfer data to a network. There are two types of routers. Wired router. This is an example of wired router. Different wires of networks are connected in these ports, and it is a wireless router. It doesn't need any cable or wires. It connects different networks through a wireless media. Thank you for watching. For more computer science lectures, PyCS Part 1 and Part 2, subscribe to my channel.